Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Kiran, studying second year mechanical A section. Today I am here to take an interview of our faculty member who is our faculty Srinivas Reddy sir. He is a most critical subjects he is handling. So today I ask some questions to sir.
Hi Joseph, how are you?
Fine sir.
Okay,
Sir, today I ask some questions for you.
carry on. It's my pleasure to answer your questions.
Sir, what is your highest qualification?
I submitted my PhD at Andhra University. Very soon I am going to award my doctorate.
Sir, how do you enjoy this teaching field?
I enjoy a lot, Joseph. I enjoy a lot. You know, delivering what you know, when you deliver it to your students, when they listen to your class without making any noise, that and when they keep on asking you questions, and when they keep on asking you queries, fine. When you try to answer those queries, that gives a lot of satisfaction. Fine, that gives a lot of satisfaction. That's it.
Sir, why you choose this teaching field?
Out of interest. All out of interest. Basically, I'm very much interested in research, Joseph. Apart from research, I wanted to get into teaching. That's why I'm here.
So, what is the scope of our mechanical engineers in future?
Future of?
Other jobs or any?
For jobs, there is a huge scope for mechanical engineers. You know, right now people are in a misconception that mechanical engineering doesn't have any scope, but that is wrong. Fine. As far as up to my knowledge, and as far as the surveys that have been conducted in recent times, the scope for mechanical engineering is very huge, very huge. Fine. The best advantage of mechanical engineering is it is a diversified branch where you can go into a core company, or you are eligible for getting into a software company. Fine. Your degree is valid to get into a core company or into a software company. That part of flexibility is for you. You should feel very fortunate for that. And if you are very well aware of your skills, that means if you are able to understand, if you are able to gain knowledge on the skills based in mechanical engineering, you can get into any core company within no time. Believe it or not, if you want to get into a good company, you need to have an experience or you need to have skill. If you have skill and experience, no one can stop you. As far as I am concerned, you can earn more CTC than a person working in a software company. Clear? That's it. So scope is huge. Only the way you visualize the scope, that matters a lot.
So, present days mechanical is a good idea, sir.
Definitely good, Joseph.
Because people are interested to go into IT companies.
Okay.
Not interesting in
Basically, I want to ask you a small question. You're traveling to the college from your house through
a bus.
RTC bus or
RTC bus.
RTC bus. So you're using public mode of transport. Fine. So there are billions of people who use public mode, and privately on their own vehicles they'll go to their workplaces or to their colleges or schools or whatever it is. Fine. So why I'm telling this is the current day automobiles, even a car or a bike or a cycle or a bus or a tractor or a marine propulsion vehicles that include a ship, or in aviation industry that include aeroplane. Any particular structure, if you want to build, mechanical engineers play a prominent role. Fine. Without a graduate mechanical trainee, an automobile company cannot exist. They cannot simply run on a software company, or they cannot simply run on IT people. Fine. So we need to be very proud, and we can proudly say that we are everywhere. Everywhere. Fine. Again, I'm stating you all need to learn all the subjects from now on with compassion. That is important. You need to be compassionate about your branch. Then only you can achieve success. That's it.
Sir, in what ways robotics is efficient development?
Robots are efficient. Robots are very much efficient than human beings. You can't compare; they are incomparable. Fine. See, earlier in mid 1980s or 1990s, the production was minimal. I can give you an example for that. In the year in between 2000 and 2010, for example, if we say that 5 lakh cars have been manufactured, in those 5-year term. Right now, in this particular tenure of 1 year or 1.5 year, during this COVID pandemic, around 7 lakh people purchased cars. You can view the global statistics, not global actually, global statistics of our country. Around about 7 lakh people have purchased a car. Right? So why I am telling that is, the purchase number has been increased. That means productivity is increased. So if productivity increases, you need to recruit more labor. Labor means they don't think in other way. Workers. Fine. So I can't make you to work 24 hours. Fine. You are a human being. You need to have some rest. Fine. When I talk about a robot doesn't require rest. Fine. Until and unless you turn off the switch. If you don't turn off the kill switch, it will keep on working until and unless the task is completed with 100% efficiency. So when you compare a human being with a robot is much more efficient. A robot is much more precise. A robot is much more flexible. A robot, when you compare it with a human being or conventional method, a robot is much more fast. But the only limitation of installing a robot in an industry is that it is very, very costly. It's a very, very costly. The installation cost or maintenance cost of handling the robot is very high. If you overcome that, the output of your product will be 100% efficient. That's it.
Sir, how IoT is useful for mechanical engineers as well?
Okay, see, Joseph, IoT, you know IoT means Internet of Things. Right? Present day, Industry 4.0 is the trending topic. Industry 4.0 is everywhere. Every industry is trying to inculcate Industry 4.0. I'll tell you what is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, if you want to adapt Industry 4.0, the reason for adapting Industry 4.0 is to obtain the output with highest accuracy, to get highest production rate, to get maximum profits. You're understanding it, right? So if you want to achieve all these three, a human being or normal conventional methods are not sufficient. They are not sufficient. You need to involve or you need to take the support of machines. But a machine will not listen to you. Fine. Why? Because a machine cannot understand your language. A machine has its own language. So if you want to convert what you are trying to tell to that machine in a way, then you need to introduce few softwares which will convert your signals into the binary output. Binary coding, you understand binary coding now? Ones and zeros, 1001, you will have those codings, no? In those codings it will convert. So Internet of Things is currently everywhere, Joseph. Without Internet of Things right now, you cannot call anything as smart. Anything as smart. For example, if I say, I'll just tell you one example. Earlier when we used to have bikes, we cannot calculate the mileage of my bike. Mine is a conventional one. Fine. So right now the bikes are automated or advanced in such a way that the amount of petrol that you are filling in your fuel tank will directly tell you how many kilometers that you can drive your vehicle. Fine. That is happening in car as well as in bikes as well. Right? So that all happens only by taking this IoT platform into consideration. You're getting it.
Yes, sir.
Even your phone is the best IoT device, and the Amazon Alexa voice commands, the voice commands that you give, Alexa turn on TV, Alexa turn off the light, Alexa turn on the fan. Right now people are not at all interested. That's not the correct way. People are showing so much of interest and intent in going towards technology. They are driving themselves towards technology. You're getting it.
Yes, sir.
Even an automobile is having 50 or 40% of its components on based on IoT itself. Fine. The only thing that is, you need to understand what is the importance of IoT in mechanical engineering. What I want to tell here is, if you want to improvise the profits of your company, if you want to give an efficient product as an output, then rather than choosing a person or an operator as the source, if you go for IoT or technology, any other technology, if you want to adapt any other technology, then obviously the product will be efficient. That's it.
What is Industry 4.0?
I can simplify that. See, Joseph, I cannot say Industry 4.0 in one or two words, but I can tell few points regarding Industry 4.0. Fine. The main motto of choosing Industry 4.0 is, compared to Industry 3.0, Industry 4.0 is technologically driven, and inclusion of few technology based softwares which are called as artificial intelligence, machine learning. They have been adopted in Industry 4.0. So you can ask me, sir, what is the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in mechanical engineering? Fine. So it is again a very big subject, Joseph. It is a very, very diversified field which I cannot tell in this shortest period. Fine? You're getting it?
Yes.
By choosing Industry 4.0, right now, every automation industry or every manufacturing firm or a design firm are very much showing interest on adapting Industry 4.0. So the main benefits of adapting Industry 4.0 include highest production rate, highest profits, and adaptability and flexibility to the situations. Fine. That bringing many changes and that bringing many different ideas, and with those ideas, by implementing technologies, you can create wonders. That's it. That's what I want to say.
Sir, when you are in teaching field, how do you overcome the any critical situations?
In what terms?
When you are in teaching, when you are teaching, do you face any critical situation in teaching field?
Critical in what terms? You're trying to ask, I'm understanding. What you are trying to ask is, if the situation is critical and if you don't want to do that particular work, what is the decision from your side, right? Okay, I'll think about it. But I will not take any decision in a hurry. Joseph, understood? I don't want to hurt anybody, nor I don't want to project myself in the wrong way, but I will try to handle the situation in a balanced way. Fine? Without hurting anyone's feelings. That's it.
Final question. Can you give any suggestion for our mechanical students?
Right now? Your classmates.
Okay.
Suggestion what I can give? See, Joseph, you all need to be very strong at your fundamentals. Fine? That's what I want to say. If you are strong at your foundation, then you can crack any job. Fine. You should not get deviated. First thing, you should work hard. You should play well. You should work hard, and you need to be obedient to all the faculty. Not only to the faculty, even to your seniors. Fine. You should not disobey anybody's orders. That's it. That's what I want to say.
Our mechanical students are interested in IT jobs only, sir. Why core jobs are not selecting, sir? Because core jobs are very difficult to. It is very difficult to placement.
Yes. See, that's a good question. Getting core job is difficult.
Yes, sir.
But if you doesn't put effort, how come you can overcome? How come you can say that it is difficult or easy? You're not at all putting effort. Without putting effort, Joseph, how come a person can justify that particular getting a job is difficult or getting a job is easy? Until and unless you try once, you shouldn't say that word. So trying means working hard. If you work hard, you can crack any job.
Yes, sir.
No matter whatever might be the field. It might be the field of computer science or it might be the field of mechanical engineering. You can crack any job, but the only thing that you need to understand is you need to work hard. You all need to work hard. Without your hard work, you should not expect results. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot,
for
Joseph.
taking valuable time.
Thank you. Thank you for interviewing me.
Thank you.